In this video, I'm going to show you how to get high voltage module in the First Descendant. Now, before we begin, it's important to note that this module is exclusive to the Ultimate Bunny, okay? No other Descendant, not even the regular Bunny, can use this, only the Ultimate Bunny can. And it can make her very, very powerful and can be very good in some builds. Now, what you'll need to do is to defeat the Pyromaniac Void Intercept battle, okay? And the drop rate there is actually very low, okay? The drop rate is, this one is Pyromaniac, by the way. The drop rate is very, very small, and it ranges anywhere from 1 to 2%, which means that you have to be ready to be farming for this for quite some time, because it will take some time to obtain, and you'll actually have to get very, very lucky to be able to obtain it from defeating this Pyromaniac. What you can also try to do without fighting any enemies is to try and combine modules, and once you do that, there's a very small chance that you can get the high voltage module. However, as I said, you will have to get lucky yet again, and yeah, to get the high voltage module, nothing comes without luck. However, if you can obtain it, it's great, because this module is awesome, okay? It can reduce the number of enemies that Thrill Bomb and Lightning emission skills can hit, which is bad. However, it will increase both the damage and the range of those skills with the Ultimate Bunny, okay? So it will hit less enemies, however the damage and the range are much, much greater, which is actually very good. If you're playing Ultimate Bunny, you'll know what I'm talking about. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.